room spray I like to make when I want my house to smell like a tropical getaway. Watch this video to learn how to make it yourself. Hi, I'm Shyla. I'm a certified aromatherapist and I love teaching you how to turn your essential oils into products that you can use in your home every day. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own room spray that's uplifting and energizing, just like the perfect beach day. So turn off those distractions because making is healing. Let's get started with this beach day room spray recipe from Simply Earth. Before I tell you what you'll need, we at Simply Earth are obsessed with teaching you how to create with your essential oils. This recipe comes from Simply Earth's DIY diffuser box. When you subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box, you get the key ingredients that you'll need to master essential oils and make recipes. You'll also learn a different theme each month. Also, when you first subscribe, they throw in a big bonus box for you. You can also find the ingredients for this recipe on Simply Earth's website. I'm going to be grabbing my recipes from the Simply Earth DIY diffuser box. It has a variety of diffuser recipes along with this room spray that we're going to make in this video. Let's grab our ingredients and start making our room spray. First, I'm going to grab my recipe card. So for this recipe, we're going to use blood orange, peppermint, timber, and last but not least, coriander. From your home, you're going to want to grab 2 ounces of distilled water, a 2-ounce spray bottle. If you don't have a spray bottle at home, you can get one from Simply Earth's website. And if you wanted to extend the shelf life of this recipe, you also want to grab GeoGuard from our website. The shelf life of this recipe without the GeoGuard is around 2 to 6 weeks. GeoGuard is a preservative that we add to some of our creations to extend the shelf life. First things first, I'm gonna put a funnel into my bottle. You don't have to use a funnel if you don't want to. It's just easier for me to get the essential oils into the bottle with one. So first you're gonna add 5 drops of blood orange. Next, 1 drop of coriander, 1 drop of peppermint, and last but not least, 1 drop of timber. All right, now we're gonna add our water to our bottle. Ta-da! All right, I'm gonna put my cap on, give it a little swirl. It smells amazing. One thing you'll want to note is that essential oils and water don't mix super well, so the essential oils will float to the top of the bottle. Go ahead and just give your bottle a little shake and the essential oils and water will disperse. The oils in this room spray are super uplifting and energizing and you're absolutely gonna love it. Last but not least, don't forget to label it. I love to see your creations on social media. So take a picture of yourself making the recipe or the finished recipe and tag From Simply Earth with the hashtag I made this so that I can see all your lovely creations too. When you send us this content, you will also be entered into a $5 gift card giveaway that you could win and you could use on your next order. Follow us for more recipes just like this.